All right, so I've got the air conditioner going. It got kind of hot in here. So if you're going to hear a whirring noise in the background. So basically what you want to do is you can go to Harbor Freight. Some other places sell these as well, but Harbor Freight carries these. I know because I bought these there, I'm pretty sure. These are basically just trim removal tools, and there's probably a dozen of them in a set. Different shapes, different sizes, whatever. They're plastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to pull this off each side, and that's going to allow us to slide the crossbars out. So let's wedge. I believe we should be able to wedge that here. A little difficult with one hand. Okay, there's one. So let's slide this down. Okay, there's the other. Looks like there's three, or sounds like there's three. Now we should be able to take this and just pop it off. Hopefully nothing breaks, because this is plastic. Okay, there we go. Oh boy, look at all the junk. All right. We did not break anything. Awesome. So we're going to clean up on aisle 3. One other thing we have to do is pull these little strips. So this little strip, literally just going to pop out of there. It's kind of like a stop. That's going to stop you from sliding these out. All right, so as you can see, this channel is open. We can now slide our crossbars out of this side at least. So I'm going to go over here, pop that one off, clean this up, and we're going to get started. All right, so I have the stops out. I did not clean up, shame on me. Let's go ahead and knock these out. There we go, there's one. And the other.